Hello, Bebecitas, and welcome back to this beautiful channel. My name is Luz. Today, we're going to be unboxing the September 2020 BOXYLUXE. So here is a quick little overview of what this BOXYLUXE has to offer for the month of September. I'm so excited to dive in. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, I'll go ahead and leave some information down in the description bar. So the theme for this month is Glam Vibes Only, and the variation number that I have is number 18. So the first thing up is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter. I got this in the shade Sandcastle / Mint Mojito. I haven't been so much into highlighters lately, but I'm really excited for this one, not only because it's Fenty, but because the colors are really unique and different. So on one side, we have more of like a wearable shade, I would call. It looks really pretty on the skin, and on the other side, it's a little bit more of an icy blue type of color, which looks great on the eyes and on the inner corner. Here is a quick swatch of what it looks like on my skin tone. As you can tell, these colors are just stunning. I can't wait to put this on my face. Next up, we have something from Persona Cosmetics. This is Season 1 Lip Gloss in the shade Honey. Ooh, girl, this is such a beautiful shade. So this is a very, very glossy, laminated look, and I love that it is a nude color. It does have a high shine formula, and I honestly have not tried it. I hope it's not super sticky, but I'm a sucker for pigmented gloss just because I can put it on all by itself and have the look of like lipstick and gloss and everything all in one. I can just put a little bit of lip liner, put this on top, and you're good to go. This color is beautiful, and I gotta give it up for my Latina owned brands. The next product is a choice item, and I chose this Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. This has gotten so much hype everywhere, and I'm so glad I didn't have to pay full price for this, because 85 bucks, honey, that's kind of like a lot of money, and the Boxycharm did not even cost $85. So I'm glad I got the option to choose this, and this is a cute little happy face right on top. Those little details just make me so happy. And next, we're going to move on to the Hip.Zion eyeshadow palette. This is a majestic eyeshadow palette that has the natural sweeping Utah Canyon colors, and such as the dramatic reds, oranges, and rich purples of the Zion. I live pretty close to Utah, so this is kind of like near and dear to my heart, but these colors are really pretty. They're perfect for fall. There's a little bit of metallic, there's a little bit of shimmer, there's a little bit of matte. I think this color combination will look great on everybody. It has a little bit for the most natural wearers, as well as if you want to play with a little bit of color. Here is a close look of the swatches of all the colors. I will say that the matte were a little bit not as good as I expected them to be, just based on swatches. I'm still going to wait and see how they look on the eyes, but so far I'm pretty impressed. Moving on, we have the Pure The Complexion Authority Signature Travel Essentials 12-piece cruelty-free brush set. I'm not going to lie, I was really hoping for this. I really wanted it just for the actual container. Oopsie. The brushes, they look good. They look promising. I used one of them, which was like the pencil eyeshadow brush, and it worked pretty good. The handles are really short though, so if you have really big hands, or if you don't like short handles, this might not be a product for you. But for the most part, I really wanted the case for traveling. I know that Sigma used to have or has a similar travel set like this one, but this one did not disappoint. I mean, I'm gonna use the brushes, I'm not gonna throw them away, but I'm just really excited for that carrying case. And 12 brushes, I think that's pretty good, and this retails for $50, $49 really, but 50 basically. All right, moving on. This was also a choice item, but I kind of just put the choose for me because nothing really excited me out of all the choices. So I received the gravity weighted sleep mask that is perfect pressure stimulation and blocks out light and feels amazing according to this paper here. I did use it once last night, was it? Yeah, and it felt good. It did fall off my head and at night. The velcro strap did catch onto my hair, and that kind of was annoying a little bit. So I think that it's very original, very unique, and if it helps you fall asleep faster, then I'm all for it. I probably will not be getting a lot of use out of it. It's really soft and it feels really good on the skin. I just don't think it's the product for me, but it might be for you. Next, we have the Therapy Deep Conditioning Mask. This is a nourishing and hydrating treatment that revives the hair that has been dried or damaged by the environment. And it has jojoba, walnut, and chestnut oils. I love hair masks. I don't use regular conditioner. I use hair mask as my conditioner just because my hair is so curly. I need to have like lots and lots of hydration. So I will be definitely using this. And it has such a nice scent. Even though it's closed, I can smell the product through the seal, which I hope it leaves my hair smelling as good as the product smells. The last item, but definitely not the least, is the 111 Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. This is a 5-pack ultimate pre-event mask with a hydrogel formula that infuses the skin with radiance boosting ingredients for a glowing complexion. This retails for $135. Wow, talk about pricey. I've heard a lot of great things about 111 Skin. I think we have received other items in our Boxycharms before, so I'm really excited to play around with this. One of my favorite Instagram girls that I love to watch, Rose from Rose and Ben Instagram. I'll leave her information down in the description. She uses 111 Skin face mask and her skin is just perfection. So if I can get those results, yay for me. And that is everything that I got for this month BOXYLUXE box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. I love you and stay blessed. Bye.